Where are our farm animals? Let's find them. First, we gotta put together these animals. Let's start here. Aha! I found the head. It's a cow. Next one. Gotcha. It's a bear. Take a look. How about this animal? Here it is. A cat. What's next? How about this white fluffy guy? It's a sheep. What animal is it? Do you know? Right, it's a chick. Next one. Yep. Found it. It's a squirrel. Let's put together this animal. This is the head. It's a rabbit. What about this one? Ah, I see. It's a raccoon. Let's complete this animal. Here's the head. Oh, it's a dog. Next. It's a fox. One more animal. This is a deer. And the last one. It's a wolf. Woohoo! A missing farm animal. It's a cow. Here's the cow's place. Now let's find this animal. Oh, look at these empty spaces. We gotta fill them. Let's start with this one. It's a dog. What's next? Aha! Gotcha! It's a bear. Now what? How about this one? I see. It's a frog. What animal lives here? A sheep. Next one. I know, we need a bird. How about this spot? A fish lives there. Can you guess this animal? It's a cat. Next, here it is. A rabbit. What animal lives here? A mouse. This or that? This one. A squirrel. The last animal. It's a chicken. Now, let's see where these animals live. This bird lives in a birdhouse. The frog lives in a swamp. How about the squirrel? Found it! The chicken lives in a chicken coop. The fish needs water. The dog likes its doghouse. The rabbit lives in a field. And the mouse lives in a hole. The cat has its own bed. The bear lives in a den. But what about the poor sheep? Aha! It lives in a barn. Hey there! We have a hen and a rooster. Good job, guys! This is a rooster. And it lives on the farm. Here it goes. How about the other animals, for example, this one? Let's match these baby animals with their moms and dads. And we'll start here. This is a baby kitty. Let's move on. Where's a baby goat? Here it is. It's a goatling. Yes, now how about a baby cow? Here it is. It's a calf. Isn't it cute? Next, baby dog. Gotcha! It's a puppy! Let's find a baby sheep. Here it is. It's a lamb. How about a baby horse? I see it. It's a foal. Do you see a baby pig? Aha! It's a piglet. And finally, a baby chicken. Here it is, a chick. Woohoo, great job. Look at this, we've got a goat. Here it goes. And we've also got a horse. I'll put it here. We found a lot of animals, but how about this object? Wow, let's play with this toy. Nothing? Well, let's check another side. Oh, interesting. What if I... Cool. I like it. Let's check the next side. What if I move it? Nice. Wow, these wheels turn. So satisfying. And the last side. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's a house. Just what we need. We've got a house, and what's this? That's fun! This color is green. Awesome. What's next? This color is pink. Well done. Now next color. It's yellow. Just one color left. And it's orange. Hooray! We did it! And we got another piece. It's a tree. Let's plant it right here. Now let's see what this is. Ah, it was hiding in the sand. It's a tractor. Here it goes. Next, let's find this animal. Hey, Rooster! Knock, knock, knock! Come join us. Let's see. It's a rooster. This is a sheep. This animal is a cow. And this pink guy, let me try something. Voila! It's a pig! Here's your place. But it's not all. 2 more animals to find. It's a puzzle! Cool! Which part is matching? I think this one. Huh! Nope! Wrong! How about this one? Yay! It's a cat! The next animal. That's right! It's a dog! And the last animal. So cute, it's a sheep. We've got another farm animal. This is a sheep. Here it goes. Perfect. The last piece. Huh, what is it? It's a rabbit. It's a hedgehog. It's a pig. It's an owl. And this bird is... Come on! Why isn't it working? Abracadabra. It worked! It's a goose! Here you go! Great job, guys! Our farm is now complete and so cool, right? Bye-bye!